This Christmas is gonna be interesting. This thing is gonna be probably gonna be out of the shelf. I mean, everybody want this thing, and it's just good thing about it is the flight time. You're gonna have a 30 minutes flight time. You're gonna have what 2 mile range, and you're gonna have 2.7K, 3-axis gimbal. That's gonna be awesome. Lightweight. You're gonna have bottom position sensing. I'm not too sure if they're gonna have front obstacle avoidance, but hopefully you should have. And and I have something to compare it with actually right now in this moment, because there's really nothing out there that you'll be like, oh, okay, what this drone's all about. But actually, there's actually drones coming out, actually called the Micro Drone 4.0. And this drone supposedly have a 30 minutes flight time. It's supposed to be 250 gram, less than that or something like that. So it's gonna be good also, but it's not gonna come with brushless motor. It's gonna be brushed motors. It's gonna have bottom position sensing. It's gonna have GPS, kind of like the Mavic Mini, but it's gonna have a 30 minutes flight time. I think the range, I'm not really too sure yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the video. What do you guys think of this drone? And when this drone is gonna be coming out, is this gonna be competing with Mavic Mini? And before, when this drone was basically, the company was announcing it, it's supposed to be kind of like the Spark Killer. And that's why I got my interest of it. I'm like, man, I want this Micro Drone 4.0. They made like Micro Drone, the 2.0, the first beginning of it. It's like kind of like the Tello size. But that time they don't have no bottom position sensing. Like, see the Tello, it has all that stuff now. And most of the Micro Drone level have that. But like I said, lots of company making micro drones, but the low drone like this, but the problem is the stabilized video footage. So when you're gonna have this in winds condition, or you're just gonna fly it, you're gonna have the video gonna be really, really shaky. So, and now they're gonna come out with the Mavic Mini. Now they're gonna come out with the 4.0 micro drone. I think it's gonna be amazing year for all of us. I mean, we all have big drones and we want to get a smaller one, and next thing you know, DJI coming up with this rover here, this Robomaster, and you can code, and hopefully we can do that with a Mini. Hopefully there's going to be a future flight modes on them later on, and it's going to be awesome, man. It's not just going to be you're going to be flying that drone around. It's going to be interest a lot of things to other people. And some of you guys might not be interested on this kind of drone, but hey, you know, everybody is totally different. I understand that. We all have different needs. But in reality, is the king is, you know, legalized. I mean, everywhere you go has flight zone. I mean, you know, and you just want to go ahead to fly your drone. You don't want to get harassed, and you know, you pay money for your drone that you just want to have a good time, and you want to share your content to your family, your friends. You know, you want to show them everything about it, and whatever you go, any vacation you want to go to, you don't want to have an issue with it. I mean, I'm on this. I mean, I've been flying drones for, you know, and I want to see something new changes. And I think micro level drones are the way to go, especially the Mavic Mini, just like the Spark did. It opens up the drone industry that's making smaller drones actually better, like the Mavic Air. And now you're gonna, you know, you have a lot of company out there are making smaller drones. And for all of us, it's gonna be awesome. It's, you know, it's gonna be a new journey, something different that we all wanted to do. I mean, you know, everybody want new things all the time, and we want new, especially in this kind of drone. Everybody want to put 4K in this little tiny drone. I mean, think about it. And, you know, it's just crazy how technology is gonna be, and with competitive with other companies, it's gonna be awesome. And especially with if they do come up with the 4.0 drone, I think it has a I think it has 1080 1080p camera on it, but has two-axis gimbal. And it had, like I said, it's gonna be interesting. But the Mavic Mini come up with three-axis gimbal under 200 grams, so I'm sorry, 250 gram, and it's gonna be good, man. And it's gonna be amazing what these drones can do. But I'm just excited. What are we gonna have? Some people not gonna like this drone. Some people gonna like it. I mean, this thing is gonna be amazing. You're gonna be flying this everywhere. I mean, there's no limits. Really. I mean, how tiny this thing is. I mean, it's just like a tiny little bird. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be amazing how it goes, and I just can't wait. Yeah, so check this video out. Hopefully we're gonna get the video footage on the Mavic Mini. If you guys see the video, I was gonna go ahead and show you guys the link. I actually have this Tello drones and also the Spark. I'm gonna show you guys just to comparison the video quality is gonna look like when flying this on the strong wind, and you can see exactly how technology coming up now, and what it can do. It's just amazing. Yeah, man, and I can't wait. Like I said, it's just new different things. Now DJI made these rovers here, and and we just want to see some more stuff coming out, and I just can't wait. Yeah, so again, it's gonna be amazing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I just can't wait, man. I think we're gonna have an amazing year coming up, and everybody just want to have this thing flying in the air, capturing the fireworks, just want to go out there and just want to have a good time. And you want to buy a drone that you just want to have a good time with. You pay for something that you don't want to get in trouble with. I mean, who wants to pay something that you gotta do this, you gotta do that? I mean, that's insane. You pay your money, so you want to have freedom. You bought this for a reason. This is for you. You want to share it to your, it's just a flying camera. And it's not gonna hurt nobody, and that's what it's all about. I think it's without this technology is very interesting, and portability is the way to go. The smaller you got is the better thing to carry. I mean, if the more stuff that you're getting, and for something less, especially for the price, that's amazing. Anyway, guys, this video here is the DJI Spark, and I just can't wait for the new Mavic, what's gonna be like. And again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.